Hello Puppet fans! And welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we will demonstrate few of the AWS resources which we will use to build the EC2 instance in AWS. To display all EC2 instances, run command puppet resource ec2_instance. This will display the EC2 instance name. Ensure running means server is up and running. Availability_zone is US East 1C or the availability zone in which you have your EC2 instance. Block_device is attached to your system, like here the device name is /to/SDA1. Hypervisor is Zen. Image_ID from which the instance was created. Instance_ID of your EC2 instance ID. Instance_type is t2.micro, interface is associated to your EC2, security_groups as its name. Group_ID of security group. Key_name or a tag assigned to your EC2. And the networking details like private_DNS_name, private_IP_address, public_DNS_name. Public_IP_address, region. And then security group name and virtualization_type, region is US East 1 or the region of your EC2. Next resource is EC2_security group, which will display all the configured security groups for your account. This resource will display the description, inbound-outbound rules, protocol, from _port, to port and CIDR, like I have opened port 80 and 22 for inbound rule of my EC2 instance. If it's a long list and you just want to have the name and ID of that group, then you can grep the output for ID and security group. Like here I am having these many security groups including default one. Next resource is EC2_volume, which sets up an EC2 EBS volume, so print the attached EBS volume to my EC2 can be printed with this resource. So here it will show the EC2 volume name, instance_ID to which this volume is attached, device, availability_zone, IOPS, region, size, snapshot_ID, volume_ID and volume_type. Next resource is EC2_elastic_IP, which sets up an elastic IP and its association. So to print elastic IP, run command puppet resource EC2_elastic_IP, which will print the elastic IP of my EC2 instance and also the instance ID to which this elastic IP is attached in region. Next resource is EC2_VPC, which sets up an AWS VPC. Next is EC2_VPC_subnet, which sets up a VPC subnet. To print the subnet, run command puppet resource EC2_VPC_subnet, which will show you the availability_zone, CIDR_block, ID, map public IP on launch and region. Next resource is IAM_group, which manage IAM groups and their membership. To print the IAM groups, run command puppet resource IAM_group, which will show the IAM group as the DevOps Cloud and its members. Next resource is IAM_role, which manage an IAM role. To print the IAM role, run command puppet resource IAM_role, which will show you the IAM role name, ARN, path, policy_document. Next resource is IAM user, which manage IAM users. To print the IAM users, run command puppet resource IAM_user and it will show the current IAM users. Next resource is Route 53, which will set up a Route 53 DNS record. To print NX record, run command puppet resource route 53_NS_record, which will show you the TTL, NS record values, and the hosted zone. Okay, so in this section we learned about few AWS resources which we can manage through Puppet module. In next lecture I will show you how you can use Puppet AWS module to fire a EC2 instance with help of the resources we learned in this lecture. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have time, feel free to move on to next lecture.